Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 19th, 2022. Yeah, you guys read the title correctly on this video. Michael Burry shorts Apple stock. Wait, hold on. A person is actually shorting Apple stock? Why would he do that? Everyone loves Apple. Everyone believes in Apple. Everyone wants to hold Apple. Not everybody. I'm going to show you all as to why Michael Burry is shorting Apple just by looking at the price chart. We can tell what people are trying to do just by paying attention to the price chart, because the price chart is equivalent to money, right? When people come in and deploy their money to these stocks, it's being recorded, and the price chart is the record of what people are trying to do. So I'm going to show you all what I think the price in Apple is about to do and how we can get around all of this euphoria, all of this news that mainstream media, that social media websites tries to push on us to get us to act, right? We need to be ahead of these individuals, these players, so that we can win. All right. So I'm going to show you all from the chart's perspective as to why Michael is short Apple, and maybe we should be too. So check this out. You guys appreciate it? Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to my channel. I'm going to make this simple and easy. Look at this. This article right here came out, right? Seeking Alpha, bombshell, 13F filing, Michael Burry is short Apple stock. Okay. Why is that newsworthy? Because of his title? Because of his recognition of what he's done with the Big Short, of the housing crisis? So everything he does now, everyone needs to pay attention to it? No. We need to pay attention to the market overall. If he's short Apple stock, best believe he's not the only player that's shorting Apple stock, right? And that's one of the biggest things about being in the stock market, is that it's so secluded and it's secretive. You don't know what people are trying to do. They'll come on mainstream media, Fox Business, CNBC, Yahoo Finance, and do interviews and act like they're for these stocks, when in the background, they're actually selling it. Or it might be reverse. They might be out there buying the stock when they're trying to tell you that they're looking for the price to go down. So now he's short. Okay, whoop-de-doo, right? How does this benefit us? Just by reading these articles. Understand, it benefits Seeking Alpha because it gets people to click. It gets people to come to their website. But how does it benefit you? It doesn't. Just because he shorts Apple stock doesn't mean that you need to. What is your plan? What is your strategy? Don't let these individuals, don't let these articles, don't let these titles persuade you. The only persuasion that I get to where I move is right here, the price chart. This price chart lets me know when I need to move. Lets me know what I need to play. If I need to be a buyer, if I need to be a seller. This price chart tells me these things, and I'm going to show it to you right now. So check this out. First, I did a video in Apple, right here on May the 15th, right? Here it is, the 19th, 4 days into it. And when I see things don't go right, when it's not following my plan, my forecast, my prediction, I know I need to come in and cut it, because if I don't, then it lets me know that I'm going to increase my losses. See, I don't hope and wish. When the market is not working the way that it's supposed to, I cut it and I follow the way that the market really wants to go. So I did this video right here on May the 15th, right? Looking for the price in Apple to go up. It did. One day, just one measly day, right? We did not get the continuation of buyers moving price up in Apple. That's a big clue. Instead of price in Apple maintaining what it did on May the 17th, we saw the price fall yesterday 5.64%. Buyers didn't show up. This is what the chart is telling us. So why am I going to continue to expect the price in Apple to go up when buyers are not there? Okay, so that was it. I'm not sure if I had our first price target right here around 150. I think I did. If not, go back and listen to it, because that would have given us 2%. But you only had a small opportunity to grab that 2% out one day. That was it. So now let me get rid of it, because I really don't like what Apple has been doing in terms of us looking for the price to go up. Okay, and I'm gonna show you why. So let me go ahead and cut this out. Okay, I don't like that play. So if you didn't get that, first of all, if you didn't get that 150 out, and we were to get out on the last trade yesterday, we're down 3-4%, right? That's cool. You're not going to win every price prediction. If that 4% is what we lost, and we're going to continue to look for the market to go down in Apple, right? That's nothing then. That's nothing. So now, let me show you what this chart looks like in Apple, okay? Here it is. This is it. This is the creation of the downtrend in Apple, okay? This is it. So I'm going to create this line right here, okay? And this is how we're going to focus on whether or not buyers are going to come through. They need to break this downtrend line. They got to break it to the outside. They got to break it up in order for us to realize that buyers are controlling the market. If they don't show up, we understand that we're going to continue to go lower. Just that simple. Now, I was looking at the buyers to try to come into the market in Apple and hold here at 140. Looking at these different time frames, the market doesn't look like it wants to do it. The market doesn't look like buyers want to hold 140. So if they're not going to try to come in and hold 140, then where's the next level? Okay, where's the next level that the buyers are going to show up? Okay, the next level that I'm going to see is right here around 130. Okay, now like I said earlier, they're trying to show you, since Michael Burry is shorting Apple, right? Or he might already close out his position, but they're trying to show with his notoriety about what he did with the big short that Apple may be going a lot lower. Now, I'm here to tell you this. Apple is in a lot of people's portfolios. Apple stock is in people's 401ks. A lot of cities, a lot of state governments has Apple in people's pensions plans. Regular people are holding the stock. So it's not going to be volatile like a lot of other markets to where we've seen 50, 60, 70, 80% drop in value, right? I'm not looking at Apple being that bad, but it doesn't mean that it's not going to participate on its way down. Okay, it doesn't mean that. And I'm looking for Apple to continue to give us a fall. Now I want to show you this too. Okay, look at that. This is another confirmation that buyers are not controlling the market in Apple. We started this trend line that I've just created. Let me get rid of this. Okay, we started this trend line back in September of 2020 of us looking at Apple in an uptrend, right? The market confirmed, the buyers confirmed in Apple right here that it wanted to continue to go up. Every time we came down to this ascending line, buyers confirmed the trend. Okay, until now. Things has changed right here. We are no longer trading above that ascending line. Even the market tried to go above that trend line and got rejected. That's massively bearish, right? That tells us that this is not a buyer's market because Apple broke this trend. It's just that simple. So why in the world would you want to come in and buy this stock when we haven't found the location to where buyers are buying up this stock? So I'm going to lower it. Okay, I'm going to look for the price in Apple to continue to fall a little bit lower. Now, like I said, I'm not going to look for it to fall exceedingly lower. Not right now, because a lot of people will see these opportunities of Apple going down as buying opportunities. They will. Okay, they will. So that first price target for me, it's going to be around like 135. That's where I'm looking at the market trying to go. And then 130. And then like 125. Okay. So we have 130. I'm sorry, 135 first. Okay. This gives us 4.5%. Like, I get it. The market may not fall exceedingly to the downside. I get it. That's why I'm prepared to just grab some profitability at 135. My second one is 130. That gives us 7%. Third, it's going to be down here at 125. That gives us 12% movement to the downside in Apple. Now, that is going to be on the table of me looking for Apple to continue to go down until we see this market ultimately break above like 150, 155. Right up here. Okay, we're going to continue to be weak into the market in Apple until we see price break this level 155 to the upside. All right, so now let me hit this back over to the daily because I follow the market on the daily time frame. I want us to continue to look at how price is trading in Apple from that perspective. Okay, now that's it. What do you think? I mean, do you think Apple's going to continue to go down? Like I said, we got to be ahead of the market. We got to be ahead of everyone else, even Michael Burry, in order for us to be consistently winners, in order for us to be consistently profiters off of these moves. So go ahead and let me know. What is your price target, your price prediction in Apple as we approach the month of June going into July? Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.